Yes, our aim at RUBIA is to combine the unique two cultures from Mexico and Japan and create a unique gastronomic experience.
La gran variedad de ingredientes que encuentras en cada temporada. Las temporadas de Japón son muy espectaculares. Cada temporada hay diferentes ingredientes y eso es lo más atractivo para mí, para Rubia.
And Mexican cuisine is that, well, with Japanese ingredients, there's many things to choose from, and it's seasonal. And also with the great things about Mexican cuisine is that the flavors are very intense, and by combining with that, we can make a really cool experience in the mouth.
Lo que hacemos es traer la mayoría de ingredientes mexicanos a Japón y lo fusionamos nosotros con el mole miso rojo, ya que es una similitud. Al juntarlos es un sabor muy potente, muy rico.
We believe that we have the same values in respecting and trying to maintain the same traditions. At RUBIA, we're really excited for the opportunity to exchange cultures through food. So check us out at rubia.co.jp.